everyone.
Good morning, Bozer.
Morning, Bozer.
Good morning.
Today, we are going to be clearing out this old mine so we can use it for underground storage.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now, the work will have to be done by the smaller machines, as none of us big machines will fit in.
Wow.
We're going down a mine.
Oh, hi-ho.
For this job, I'm making Diggs the team leader.
Oh, you've made the right decision there, Bozer.
It's not fair.
Well, I'm glad it wasn't me.
Carl and Lug,
Yeah?
you'll be helping me clear the entrance so we can make an approach road.
Oh, very well, Bozer.
Maxine, I'm going to need a load of your finest, chunky concrete to level out the floor.
One batch of the finest chunky coming up.
Maxine, could you go somewhere else to do your grinding?
All right, darlings. I'll go round the corner to do my mixing. Rolling back.
Thank you, Maxine. Right then, off you go. And remember, old mines can be very dangerous places. Luckily, this one's pretty well supported. But be careful all the same.
Don't worry, Bozer. My team and I will approach with extreme caution.
Good. Mine behind. Mine behind.
Come on, team! Into the darkness!
Good.
Ha-ha!
Here we go.
Vroom! We're in a mine! Dun, dun, dun! And I am the intrepid machine hero, leading his brave explorers into the unknown.
I don't think it's very safe down here.
Oh, you think too much, Scooch. It's just an old mine.
An old mine with really scary dark bits. Where do you think that one goes?
Oh, probably to where all the mine monsters live.
There's no such thing as mine monsters. But I have to say, there's a really icy wind coming from it.
Where do you think it's coming from?
Oh, no time for thinking, Scooch. We've got to start doing. And what we'll do first is, clear all those old wooden posts.
I think they might be there for a reason, Diggs.
Oh, like I said, Scooch, you think too much. So let's get doing, Vroom!
Okay.
Oh, dear.
Timber! Oh, ow! Hey! Whee! Ha-ha! Diddly-dee-dee-dee! Oh! Look out, coming through! Oh, I can't see a thing. Hey! Ha-ha!
Diggs.
Now that is one top bit of clearing.
I still think they must have been there for a reason.
What's that creaking?
It's coming from up there. Look out!
Either that rock was heavier than I thought, or something has just collapsed.
It's the mine entrance. Oh, no. I hope Digg, Scooch and Carrie are all right.
Well, I don't know about anybody else, but I think Scooch was right. That wood was there for a reason. To hold the mine up!
Digg, Scooch, Carrie, are you all right?
Fine, thanks, Bozer!
No thanks to our team leader.
Should I start moving these rocks, boss?
Not yet, Carl. We're going to have to think very carefully before we start shifting anything. Digg, Scooch, and Carrie! Stay where you are. Don't try and dig your way out, or there might be another collapse. We're going to get you out, but it may take some time.
Don't worry, Bozer. We can wait in this dark, spooky, dusty old mine. Oh well, at least things can't get any worse. Was that either of you?
No?
No?
Oh, I think it came from the chilly spooky bit over there.
Carrie, you know when you said there were no such thing as mine monsters, were you saying that because you knew there wasn't, or were you just saying it?
I was just saying it.
So, there could be such a thing.
Maybe.
And what do you think they would sound like if there was such a thing?
Probably a bit like that.
Mine monsters!
I think I've heard that sound before.
Oh, no time for thinking, Scooch. We've got to get out of here. Help! Help!
Oh no! That's the little machines! We've got to work fast!
No, Carl. Think for a moment. If we work too fast, we may dislodge more of the rocks.
You are right, Bozer. Slowly, slowly, creepy, rocky.
Oh, yelling didn't help. What else could we do? Oh, I know. We'll dig our way out. Come on, Scooch. Scooch?
He's gone.
You don't think he's been caught by the mine monsters?
Oh, no.
Oh, poor Scooch. If only he hadn't just sat there thinking. What good is thinking in a situation like this? Oh, I can still hear his little voice.
So can I. Wait a minute. That's coming from outside.
Go towards the spooky tunnel. It's a way out.
The spooky tunnel? Well, I suppose we better do as he says. After you, Carrie.
Oh, no. No, you're the leader, Diggs, remember? After you.
Oh. Warning, backing.
And all thanks to Scooch. He found this other old entrance.
Scooch, we thought you'd been grabbed by the mine monsters. How did you find the way out?
Just by thinking. I thought that if a breeze was coming from the spooky bit of the tunnel, then it must be coming from outside. And when I thought about the mine monster noise, I realized it sounded like Maxine mixing her finest chunky concrete. So then I thought that must be the way out.
Oh, good thinking, Scooch.
Oh.
You see? Machines don't just need horsepower. We need hood power as well.
You can say that again.
Come on. Let's get back and clear those rocks. And put those wooden posts back, too. Mine behind. Mine behind.
I'll tell you what, Scooch, that was really clever of you, following that breeze. I never would have thought of that.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, there's that mine monster noise again.
Doesn't sound so bad, knowing it's Maxine.
But Maxine isn't grinding.
Mine monster!